Good day, I am Lawrence Joshua F. Kawaling, born and raised in the Philippines, and I'm applying for the F&B training program of your company. I'm interested in this training program because of your company's commitment in providing competitive workers. I am always eager to learn and improve my skills, and I see this training program as an excellent way to be part of your growing company. To tell you a little bit of myself, I graduated cum laude from Central Philippine University with a bachelor's degree in hospitality management. After I graduated, I worked as a cook in a catering company where I gained most of my experience. I am highly motivated to expand my knowledge and improve my skills, and I see this training program as a great way to develop and grow in this industry. I truly appreciate this time to introduce myself and to apply for the training program. Thank you for your time and consideration.